How can small business owners leverage digital marketing to grow their business? In a world where digital presence is paramount, many small businesses grapple with making their mark online. The importance of mastering this craft cannot be overstated. Stay tuned to uncover actionable digital marketing secrets for small businesses. Digital marketing doesn't have to be a challenge. Here are some proven strategies. First up, harness the power of social media. Platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter aren't just for sharing selfies and cat videos, They're powerful tools to connect with your audience, build brand awareness, and even drive sales. Next, invest in a functional, user-friendly website. Think of your website as your digital storefront. You wouldn't want your physical store to be cluttered and confusing, would you? The same applies to your website. Make it inviting, easy to navigate, and ensure that it reflects your brand. Don't forget to optimize for search engines. SEO isn't just a buzzword, it's a crucial way to ensure your business appears in relevant search results. It's like putting up a giant neon sign that says, "Hey, we're here." Engage with your audience. Answer their comments, messages, and reviews in a timely manner. Show your customers you care about them and value their feedback. It's all about building relationships. Lastly, use email marketing. Regular newsletters and updates can keep your business at the forefront of your customers' minds. It's like a friendly reminder that says, "Hey, remember us?" These strategies can help you unlock the potential of digital marketing for your small business. Let's quickly recap the key points discussed in this video. We've unveiled the secrets of digital marketing, the power of SEO, the effectiveness of social media, the reach of content marketing, and the precision of targeted advertising. Each strategy is a vital cog in the digital marketing machine, designed to boost your online presence and drive business growth. With these actionable tips, small business owners can navigate the world of digital marketing with confidence. Remember, the digital world is your oyster. Use it wisely.